Hello, this is Mr. Collier, and today we're solving a rate word problem. In this problem, biologists caught 30 fish in a lake, tagged them, and returned them. A week later, they caught 50 fish and noticed 3 had tags. What could they infer about the number of fish in the lake? Well, this is actually what scientists do to figure out how many fish are in a lake. They tag some of them, put them back, then they catch the fish later, like maybe a week later, and then they figure out how many fish are in the lake. I'm going to solve this problem two ways. First way with ratios. If there are 50 fish per 3 tags in the catch, then if you want to get the unit rate, we're going to do 50 divided by 3 to get the unit rate. And that's going to give us the fish per tag rate. So we're going to do 50 divided by 3. Now let's do 50 divided by 3, and let's put that on the old calculator here. 50 divided by 3. 50 divided by 3 is that number, 16 2/3. Okay, so we have 16 2/3 fish per tag. Alright, but how many tags are there altogether? There are 30 tags in the whole lake. So if we want to get this, if we get this rate to 30 here, okay, if we want to make this 30 tags, then we have to multiply this amount by 30. Okay, we multiply this by 30, multiply this by 30, and we will get 16 2/3 times 30. We could do that without a calculator. It's quite possible, but we've got this number stored on our calculator right now. So we keep that number and just multiply by 30. And we get 500. Okay. So there are 500, or approximately 500 fish in total in the lake. I'm going to use the approximately equal to symbol because it's not going to be an exact answer. This is the biologist's best guess of how many fish are in the lake. Okay, now I'm going to do it with percents. If you like percents, this is probably going to be, well, a lot easier. So if they catch 3 out of 50 fish have tags, we can write 3 out of 50 and change that to a percent. So we multiply numerator and denominator by 2, we get 6 out of 100, which equals 6%. So in their catch, 6% of the fish have tags, and there are a total of 30 tagged fish in the lake. Okay, so we don't know how many fish at this point are in the lake, but we know that 6% of the fish have tags, or that's equivalent to 30. So 6% of the fish is 30. Okay, so 6% of the fish, if we call the fish F, then we do 6% of F, so that is 0.06 times F equals 30. Alright, so we want to solve for F here. We divide by 0.06, divide by 0.06, and we'll get F. And I'll use approximately equal to again because, again, these are just estimates. So let's do use our calculator over here. 30 divided by 0.06 equals 500. So again, we got the exact same answer. So depending on if you like ratios or if you like percents, you can do it either way. Okay, but please remember that this is approximately equal to.